A summer standard from Japan. Heat shield cool up. Easy to install for anyone. In a blink of an eye, the room becomes a nice and cozy space. Just stick it on your window. A must-have to get through a hot summer. Easy and cozy and breezy. This cool net has amazing effects, such as blocking the heat, UV cut, and protecting privacy. Makes the hot summer room a cozy space. But isn't it difficult to install? Don't worry! It's a mesh net fabric. Unlike the film type, it can be easily attached. You can easily attach it to any window, either outside or inside of the window. You can even stick it on a screen door. It's also very easy to remove. Installation is really easy. First, measure the size of the window. Use the attached paper ruler. Cut the cool net to the size of the window using the ruler. Clean the windows and sashes before applying. Attach the Velcro tape to the window or sash. Fix the cool net to the Velcro tape attached to the window. Face the metallic side of the cool net toward the sun. Stick the non-adhesive Velcro tape. It's easy for anyone. Installation is completed without a wrinkle. Masa processing is a special metal sputtering technology that coats a soft polyester net with nanosquare meter metal. We created a high-performance net with various functions such as heat blocking effect and UV protection without changing the feel and texture of the polyester net. You can achieve these results just by attaching this product. It lowers the temperature rise in the room and also helps prevent sunburn on furniture and skin. The heat insulation performance has also been confirmed in thermographic tests. It can be attached to both glass windows and sash frames. It's also compatible with various types of windows. Also attachable to either outside or inside of the window. The nano-coating metal reflects sunlight, making it difficult to see inside the room during the day. It also reduces the glare of direct sunlight into the room, and you can still see the scenery well. The nano-coating metal of this product removes static electricity, making it difficult for dust to attach, eliminating the hassle of cleaning up the room. A summer standard from Japan. Heat shield cool up. Just stick it on the window. Achieve a comfortable space with this one piece. Please give it a try.